Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. Today pare first day. Pakita ko lang tong nakita kong mighty fine beast. So kung titingnan mo to, see? Nice. Tapos ito naiikot rin to, no?
Yes, sir.
Ano pag ano pa yan? Vacuum. Look at the screen. Futuristic pare, oh. Ang ganda ng cockpit. So, I guess for a 1.7 million peso car, what you get is a premium content in terms of technology, comfort, luxury. Actually, yung mga naka-reserve dito, features na naka-reserve na yan sa mga high-end vehicles. So, ngayon kino-consider na namin na talagang nag-step up na ang competition. So, mighty fine beast naman talaga. Pati ang likod, titingnan mo. Damn! Look at that. Talagang makaba. Head turner naman talaga. So, swabe guys. So, stay safe, stay driven, and enjoy the ride. Mag-unahan na kayo dito kasi you know the drill. Alright. Check this out. Music. Wow. Ganda oh. Kin mo ang feel oh. Yan oh, galing. It's big, spacious. Sinara mo. It's moving. Nice speaker. Check out the speakers. Speakers everywhere. Papa power tailgate. Basic. Guys. So kasya ang tao dito. Hindi ako si King Panda. Nice. And check out the space. So pwede kayo maglagay dito ng mga stuff. Family stuff, friendly stuff, just the good stuff. Tapos, that's it. Suave. Kita? Premium na premium for a 1.7 million peso car. Step up, competition, step up. Check it out. Linis oh. Wala yung ingay and the lights. Simple lang ang ilaw pero grabe. Meron rin. And of course,
kasi mamaya may client ng maano natin sa kanila.
Suwaga.
Ano daw was right? Hindi sa seat ay sa passenger seat.
Look at that. Driving light. Nice!